Hi and welcome back to my channel. A lot of things have changed since my past video. नहीं, मैं अपने braces के बारे में बात नहीं कर रही. A lot of you got creative and asked me a lot of questions. Most common one was lights. So before coming to any conclusion, मैंने एक छोटा सा experiment किया to get you a difference between natural light and LED lights. Since it's raining in Mumbai and it's 2 o'clock in afternoon, still I'm not getting enough light. Sunlight is a very unreliable source of light. The time to shoot is very narrow. It depends on the position of your window to the position of the sun. Generally for me, it's from 2 AM to 4 PM. I'm increasing my ISO so that I can get more light in the camera. Not really happy with my results. Whew. So what will you do when you can't use natural light? It's very simple. Just go and buy some lights. Is it? No. So buying lights, there are so many options in the market that it becomes very confusing. I will tell you what I started up with. So this little guy here is an Digipro LED. It's a cheap Chinese LED light. I got this lights for only 2,000 rupees from this guy. Yeah, he likes to take a lot of pictures. Anyways, so these lights works magic, especially if you're just starting off. Yeah, if you are looking for some sasta alternative for light and you really don't want to invest on a giant studio light. Let's go through the pros of these lights. First, they are battery operated. That means you just have to plug in and you are good to go. This battery generally lasts for 2 to 3 hours, but obviously you can anytime buy an extra battery and you can increase the time of your work. Next, they are super duper easy to carry. You can just throw them in your bag or you can just store them anywhere. It's very easy and it takes very less space. Third, the brightness of these lights are very easy to adjust. It can go from 10 to 100% brightness. And same is the temperature. The temperature variation starts from 3200 Kelvin, that is a little warmer side, to 5500 Kelvin, that is a little cooler white side. Since LED lights is a continuous light, so you don't require any trigger. That means you can use these lights on your phone photography also. There is just a small con that I believe had affected my photography, but again I found a little jugad for it. So since it's a small light source, the light emitted from these battery operated cheap LED lights are very harsh when you specially point it on an object like this. To tackle this problem, wait for it, have just used a butter paper like so, and can you see the harshness is gone? Again, the whole point of this video was to get you a cheap alternative for lights. If you're just starting off with food photography and looking for very cheap alternative for lights under budget, that is only 2,000 rupees, I think this is the better option. Till then, there are more jugads coming. See you next time.